What's up, guys? Today I'm wicked excited to share with you a close-up look at a client coming into my studio here in Amesbury, Massachusetts. She's coming in to see us for a brand new full head of dreadlocks plus custom extensions made by us. This is my coworker Karen. We're going to be working as a team today. And Miss Piggy's here to join the fun too.
My name is Rebecca, and as of today, I am a full-time traveler and nomad. So my husband and I moved into a 1969 VW bus, and we'll be spending the next year traveling. So I've wanted dreadlocks probably since I was like 18 years old, and I'm now 36, so quite a long time, but it never really fit my lifestyle. I used to work in corporate advertising. I felt like it didn't really jive with that lifestyle. So in the past like 18 months, I really started researching and like going deep on like what it means to have dreadlocks, like what are the different ways you can get it, and like all about taking care of them, and decided that this sort of year of travel and this time in my life is the right time to get dreads. So I found the studio through Instagram. So on one of my like deep dive research holes on the internet, I was researching like hashtags on dreadlocks, and I found this studio, and I was like, oh, these dreadlocks look amazing, and then found out that you're right here in Amesbury, and I was in Newburyport, which is right next door, and I was like, this is meant to be. These are them?
Yeah.
These look amazing. I love
Okay, and I have one more thing for you. I made this. It's like a big dreadlock wrap thing, and it's on a clip, so it's just an accessory that you can take in and out. So like my feathers on my hair are on clips.
Yeah.
So you can just wear it in when you want.
Yeah.
So the way I like to do it, depending on the length, is just kind of like behind the ear. Flip it like that, and then it's an extra bigger accessory when you want it.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
All right, we are all done. What do you think? How was your experience? Do you feel like yourself?
My experience was incredible. I love my dreads. They came out even better than I expected, and I feel amazing and ready to travel.
I'm so excited for you to go on your van trip. She's going to be traveling all over the country, right?
Yep.
And what is your Instagram so that we can all follow you?
Follow me at Rebecca Sisson Yoga on Instagram.
Perfect. All right. Thanks, Rebecca. It was so nice having you.